So rising Jamaican football star Tariq McGee, along with some other Harborview youngsters, are off to Portugal for what them call an academy showcase, which is really a trial. And it got the Maverick thinking again about this trial business. In modern football, I don't see players getting contracts from attending trials. These trials are exercises in building up the youth them hopes and tearing it down back again. When last you hear about a big player who impressed in a trial and get a contract? How the thing works is that coaches and scouts hear about or see a player, whether in international football or in club football. They identify the talent, probably look at the player in another game, and then they sign or don't sign the player. This trial business is a scam. And the reason why so few players get contracts from trials is because the very concept of a trial is unscientific and unreliable in terms of telling who will or will not make it as a player. But I suppose in Jamaica, we have no choice, and our players have to do what they have to do. And we, in turn, have to prepare them physically, mentally, and psychologically for these trials. Encourage them to go out and express themselves on and off the field. Try to fit in and make friends and laugh and talk with everybody. Even when the temperature cold and the language strange and the food tastes bad, nobody got the people in place go talk about you miss your mother. And you want to buy some peas and chicken and ray and take. If you don't want good, you don't know have to run. Trying to think I'm foolish to save it. Foolish to save it.